Hello again, grade 8 learners. Welcome to our math session. For today, we will be discussing solving problems involving rational algebraic expressions.
Before we proceed with our discussion, let us first be familiarized with translating verbal phrase into mathematical phrase by answering this activity entitled Match It to Me. On the left side are the given verbal phrases, and on the right side are the given mathematical phrases. For number 1, the ratio of x and y. Number 2, 1/3 of the square of x. Number 3, the product of x and y divided by 2. Number 4, a number x divided by 5. Let us answer them one by one. Number 1, the ratio of x and y. In symbol, we have x over y. Number 2, 1/3 of the square of x. In symbol, we have x squared over 3. Number 3, the product of x and y divided by 2. In symbol, xy over 2. And number 4, the number x divided by 5. In symbol, we have x over 5. Here are the steps in solving problems involving rational algebraic expressions. Step 1. Read and understand the problem. Identify the given and the unknown. Step 2. Write an equation to represent the relationship among the given and the unknowns. Number 3. Solve for the unknown. And number 4. Check your answer by substituting the given. Here are some examples of problems where we can apply the concept of rational algebraic expression. We have the work or rate problem, number problem, and age problem. Let us now answer some problems involving work problem. Work problems pertain to situations in which two or more persons or machines work together or separately to complete a certain task. In solving work problems, always remember this principle. Parts of the work contributed by all the workers equals one complete work. For example, number 1, Anna can paint the wall in 4 hours. What part of the wall is painted in 3 hours? For easy solving, we're going to use a table. Column 1 is the rate of work. Since Anna can paint the wall in 4 hours, her rate of work per hour is 1/4. Second column is time work. And the time work is up to 3 hours. And for the third column, we have the work done. The part of the work done by a person or machine is found by multiplying the rate and the time required in doing the task. So, we're going to use the formula work done is equal to rate times time. In 1 hour, the work done is 1/4. In 2 hours, we have 2/4. And in 3 hours, we have 3/4. Therefore, after 3 hours, Anna finished painting 3/4 of the wall. Example number 2. Anna can paint the wall in 4 hours, while Lani can do it in 2 hours. How long will they finish painting the wall if they work together? We are now going to use the steps in solving problems involving rational algebraic expression. For step 1, read and understand the problem and identify the given. So, let x be the number of hours working together. To identify the given, we're going to use a table. First column are the persons involved, and these are Anna, Lani, and if they work together. Second column, we have the time work. Anna can finish painting the wall in 4 hours, and Lani can do it in 2 hours. If they work together, we're going to represent it in X hours. And for the rate of work done in the third column, for Anna, her rate of work is 1/4. For Lani, her rate of work is 1/2. And if they work together, the rate of work done is 1/x. Step 2. Write an equation to represent the relationships among the given and the unknowns. So the formula that we are going to use is rate of work done by Anna plus rate of work done by Lani equals rate of work done working together. Substituting the formula, rate of work done by Anna is 1/4. The rate of work done by Lani is 1/2. And the rate of work done working together is 1/x. So, we have 1/4 plus 1/2 equals 1/x. Step 3. Solve for the unknown. We're going to use the formula a while ago, which is 1/4 plus 1/2 equals 1/x. Applying the concept on addition of rational algebraic expression with the similar denominator, we're going to find the LCD of 4, 2, and x. And the LCD is 4x. So, we're going to multiply 4x on both sides of the equation. 4x times 1/4 is 4x over 4. 4x times 1/2 is 4x over 2. And 4x times 1/x is 4x over x. Simplifying, we have 4x divided by 4 is x. 4x divided by 2 is 2x. 4x divided by x is 4. Combining similar terms, we have x plus 2x is 3x. Bring down 4. Dividing both sides by 3, x now is equal to 4 over 3. Or, x is equal to 1 1/3 or 1.33. Hence, it will take 1.33 hours or 1 hour and 20 minutes to finish painting the wall if they work together. Part of the work contributed by all the workers equals 1 complete work. So for step 4, check your answer by substituting the given. And the given is 1/4 plus 1/2 equals 1/x. And x is equal to 4 over 3. So, we have 1/4 multiplied by 4 over 3 is 4 over 12 or 1/3. And 1/2 multiplied by 4 over 3 is 4 over 6 or 2/3. 1/3 plus 2/3 is 3 over 3 or 1. Example number 3. A party will be held in a resort at 1 p.m. You came early to the resort not knowing that the pool was drained. It was scheduled to be refilled also that day. With both pipes open at 7 a.m., one pipe can fill the empty pool in 6 hours and the other can fill the empty pool in 12 hours. Will the pool be filled at 1 p.m.? What is the exact time the pool will be filled? In solving the problem, we are going to use the steps in solving problems involving rational algebraic expression. Step 1. Identifying the given using a table. We have pipe 1, pipe 2, and working together. Time work for pipe 1, we have 6 hours. And for pipe 2, we have 12 hours. And if they work together, we have x hours. Rate of work done for pipe 1 we have 1 over 6. For pipe 2, we have 1 over 12. And for if they work together, it's 1 over x. So for step 2, the formula that we're going to use is rate of work done by first pipe plus rate of work done by the second pipe equals the rate of work done working together. Substituting the formula, we have 1/6 plus 1 over 12 is equal to 1 over x. Since we already know the formula that we are going to use, that is 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 equals 1 over x, we are now ready to solve the unknown. Applying the concept of addition of rational algebraic expression, we're going to find the LCD of 6, 12, and x, and that is 12x. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 12x, so we have 12x times 1 over 6 is 12x over 6 plus 12x times 1 over 12 is 12x over 12, and 12x times 1 over x is 12x over x. Simplifying, we have 12x divided by 6 is 2x plus 12x divided by 12 is x, and 12x divided by x is 12. Combining similar terms, we have 2x plus x is 3x, bring down 12. Divide both sides by 3, the answer is 4. So, it will take 4 hours to fill the pool. Step 4. Substituting our formula, multiplying 4 to 1/6 and 1 over 12. To check if the answer is correct. So we have 4 times 1 over 6 is 4 over 6 or 2/3 plus 4 times 1 over 12 is 4 over 12 or 1/3. So 2/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 1. We are now ready to answer the question, will the pool be filled at 1 p.m.? And the answer is yes, since it will only take 4 hours to fill the pool and there is 6 hours in between 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. What is the exact time the pool will be filled? By adding 4 hours to 7 a.m., the pool will be filled at exactly 11 a.m. Let us now proceed to number problem. Example number 4. If the same number is added to both numerator and denominator of the fraction 1/2, the result is 3/4. Find the number. Step 1. Read and understand the problem. So, let x be the number. The given fraction is 1/2. So, let 1 plus x be the numerator and 2 plus x be the denominator. Because the same number is added to both numerator and the denominator. Step 2. The equation that we are going to use is 1 plus x over 2 plus x is equal to 3/4. Step 3. Solve for the unknown. Using the equation 1 plus x over 2 plus x equals 3 over 4. Using cross multiplication, we have 4 times the quantity 1 plus x equals 3 times the quantity 2 plus x. Using distributive property, we have 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times positive x is equal to positive 4x equals 3 times 2 is 6. Then 3 times positive x is positive 3x. After that, using addition property of equality, we have 4 plus negative 4 plus 4x plus negative 3x is equal to 6 plus negative 4 plus 3x plus negative 3x. So the remaining now will be 4x plus negative 3x is equal to 6 plus negative 4x. That is the way of combining similar terms. And then we have 4x plus negative 3x is x, and 6 plus negative 4 is 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Step 4. Check your answer by substituting the given. So our original equation will be 1 plus x over 2 plus x is equal to 3/4. Substituting the value of x by 2, we have 1 plus 2 over 2 plus 2 equals 3/4. Therefore, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 plus 2 is 4. 3/4 now is equal to 3/4. Here is another example of number problem. Example number 5. The numerator of a fraction is 3 less than the denominator. If 4 is added to the numerator and to the denominator, what is the fraction? Step 1. Let x be the denominator and let x minus 3 be the numerator, since it is stated in the problem that the numerator is 3 less than the denominator. This will now be our original fraction. And then, in the problem, 4 is added to the numerator and to the denominator. Therefore, we have x plus 4 be the denominator and x minus 3 plus 4 be the numerator. This will now be our follow-up equation when 4 is added to the numerator and to the denominator. Step 2. Our equation is x minus 3 plus 4 over x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. For step 3, our equation is x minus 3 plus 4 over x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. We can combine negative 3 and positive 4 in the numerator and that becomes 1. So we have x plus 1 over x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. Using cross multiplication, we have now 4 times the quantity x plus 1 equals 3 times the quantity x plus 4. Using distributive property, 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1 is positive 4 equals 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times positive 4 is positive 12. Combining similar terms, by addition property of equality, we have now 4x plus negative 3x plus 4 plus negative 4 is equal to 12 plus negative 4 plus 3x plus negative 3x. And the resulting equation is 4x plus negative 3x is equal to 12 plus negative 4. That will now be equal to 4x plus negative 3x is x. 12 plus negative 4 is 8. Therefore, the value of the denominator is 8. For step 4, which is the checking, substituting our formula, x plus 1 over x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. The value of x is 8. So we have 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 4 is equal to 3/4. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. The lowest term of 9 over 12 is 3/4. Example number 6 is an example of age problem. J's father is twice as old as J. In 20 years, J will be 2/3 as old as his father. How old is J now? So for step 1, read and understand the problem. Then identify the given. Let x be J's age. And let 2x be his father's age, since it is stated in the problem that J's father is twice as old as J. Let x plus 20 be the age of J in 20 years. and 2x plus 20 with the father's age in 20 years. So for step 2, our equation will now be x plus 20 is equal to 2/3 times the quantity 2x plus 20. As stated in the problem, in 20 years, J will be 2/3 as old as his father. Step 3. Solve for the unknown. The given equation is x plus 20 equals 2/3 times the quantity 2x plus 20. Distribute 2/3 to 2x plus 20, we have 2/3 times 2x is 4/3x, and 2/3 times 20 is 40/3. The LCD of the equation is 3, so we have to multiply 3 both sides of the equation. We have now 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 20 is positive 60. 3 times 4/3 is 4x, plus 3 times 40/3 is positive 40. Combining similar terms using addition property of equality, we have now 3x plus negative 4x plus 60 plus negative 60 is equal to 4x plus negative 4x plus 40 plus negative 60. And the resulting equation is 3x plus negative 4x is equal to 40 plus negative 60. 3x plus negative 4x is negative x, and 40 plus negative 60 is negative 20. Dividing both sides by negative 1, x now is equal to 20. Therefore, J's age now is 20 years old. I hope you learned a lot today. Thank you for watching.